Welcome to Tom's English. English pronunciation, rising and falling intonation. Do you want to sound like a native speaker? Every language has a musical quality. Every sentence has intonation. This means that you raise or lower your voice. In English, sentences have a distinct pattern for intonation. Yes/no questions. If you ask a yes or no question in English, your voice goes up at the end of a sentence. Are you hungry? Is this music good? He is a little bit lazy, isn't he? Do you like watching TV? Did you finish your homework? Information questions. If you ask an information question in English, your voice goes down at the end of a sentence. What is your name? Why are you sad? Which book is the best for you? Where does she live? Normal sentences. In normal sentences, your voice goes down at the end of a sentence. You should listen to your mother. Blue is my favorite color. This music sounds good. My brother's name is John. Water is good for the body. Greetings and exclamations. If you greet somebody or show surprise, your voice goes up. Hello. This is good. What a crazy show. Wow, that man is a genius. When you speak English, remember to practice your intonation. You will sound like a native speaker. Watch for our next video. Tom's English, www.tomsenglish.org.